Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph, and what we have here is the latest, yes, it's the latest tablet from Huawei, and it's the Huawei MatePad 10.4. Don't be confused, this is the 2022 version, and this time we got here the Huawei Smart Keyboard, the Huawei M-Pencil, and of course, the tablet over here. I know a lot of you are wondering what's the specifications of this one. Of course, there's the 10.4-inch display with a 2K resolution, and then there's the kind of old Kirin 710A processor, which is probably because that Huawei is having problems when it comes to chips. I mean, there's the US ban, then there's the supply shortage when it comes to the chips. Anyway, we also got your 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. So basically, those are the main specifications. Of course, there's the 13 megapixel camera and also the 8 megapixel front-facing camera, and then there's the LTE. It's running on Harmony OS 2, so yes, you need to rely on the Huawei App Gallery for the applications. So what are we waiting for? Time to unbox and time to take a closer look at this one, the Huawei MatePad 10.4 2022. So first, let's unbox the tablet. Right, so as you can see in here, it's a 10-inch tablet, and I actually like the size of this one. It's a 10.4-inch tablet. I think it's a sweet spot when it comes to tablets, Android tablets like this one. It's running on Harmony OS, and yes, the display is kind of big for 10.4. So yeah, that's the tablet. So let's see what's inside the box. And then there's the 22.5 watts charger inside. Of course, there's the USB-A to USB-C cable. Alright, time to set up the tablet before, checking out the other accessories. So before we continue, let's check out the other accessories. And we got here the Huawei M-Pencil, and it's really, really nice with a transparent tip over here. And unlike other pens, this one comes with a charger, so you need to magnetically attach this one to the pen and then connect the USB Type-C to the tablet so you can charge it, and you can also pair it with the tablet. Now for the keyboard. Alright, so we got here the keyboard cover, and unlike other keyboards, this one doesn't come with a pogo pin, so you can connect this keyboard to your tablet wirelessly. So you need to turn on the Bluetooth of your tablet to connect it to the keyboard. And yes, we are limited dito sa single lang na angle for the keyboard, so it's not as adjustable as the other keyboards out there. But yeah, it's a tablet, so that's fine with me. So actually, time to snap it in dito. And yeah, there we go. Can already snap it. Alright, so I've paired my Huawei MatePad 10.4 2022 to my Bluetooth keyboard. Actually, there's a switch over here. You can also charge it via USB-C. So yes, you need to charge it. Unfortunately, it doesn't draw power from the tablet. So yeah, you need to connect it just like a normal Bluetooth keyboard. But yeah, it's a really nice keyboard. I mean, it's not just a Bluetooth keyboard. It also protects your MatePad 10.4. And again, what I like about it is that despite having a 10.4-inch display, the size of this one is pretty portable compared to other tablets out there in the market. One of the reasons is not only because of the screen size, but also because of the bezel and also the aspect ratio of this tablet. One of the things that I actually like with Harmony OS 2 is that they've managed to have an optimized UI for its display. I mean, it's a tablet, yes, but not all Android tablets does have a pretty good UI or an optimized UI for a larger display. And with Harmony OS 2, as you can see in here, we got here the dock below along with the home screen and the application. So basically, you could have more applications or more content on a single large display. However, I would appreciate more if Huawei did a better job in the display and the processing power of the tablet. I mean, yeah, it's a 2K resolution, it's fine, but it's a Kirin 710A processor, which is kind of lagging for a 2022 device. I mean, I understand there's a chip shortage right now in the market, and of course, there are a lot of things going on with Huawei, but yeah, it would be nice if they have a better processor on this one. So basically, if you're planning on using the MatePad 10.4 for basic tasks, I mean, that wouldn't be a problem for light applications. But if you're planning it on using it for gaming, well, you might have a problem with that one. As for the build quality of this one is pretty good for me. I mean, it's typical MatePad for me. There's the plastic back. Doesn't feel as cheap as the other tablets in the market. It's powered by Harman Kardon for the sound of this one. There's the dual camera at the back of the tablet. It's a protruding camera, by the way. There's the USB-C over here, and then on the other side we got here the power button. So if you want to unlock the tablet, I suggest that you use the face recognition for this one, so you can unlock the tablet faster. So the sound of this one is actually just fine for me. I mean, if you're gonna use it for watching movies, that's fine. That's fine. I wouldn't have any problems on this one. But of course, for the applications, you have to rely on the Huawei app gallery. All right, so I need to unlock it with the pin over here. There we go. So as you can see in here, applications load just fine. I mean, as you can see, okay. And then there's the browser. Of course, like what I've said earlier, it's a Kirin 710A processor, so don't expect too much from it. But for the basic tasks like visiting websites, you know, basic applications, that wouldn't be a problem. As you can see, I'm opening gallery right now. Actually, I didn't expect that it would be this fast. I mean, I've tried Kirin 710A devices before and it isn't as fast as this one. So it's surprising that Huawei managed to have a faster and better response on this one, maybe because of the Harmony OS 2 running on this one. So yeah, it's really interesting that we got that on the tablet. So there we go. As you can see in here, we got here some different features, including assistant, and of course some Huawei applications pre-installed on the tablet. But again, it's running on Huawei's Harmony OS 2, so you can only rely on the app gallery for the applications. But I believe you can sideload applications if you want. That wouldn't be a problem if that's an APK or not. And of course, there are the popular games already on the Huawei app gallery, including PUBG Mobile if you want to play those games. And yeah, we're gonna go deep down on that once we have the review of this tablet. So I guess that's it for our first impressions of the Huawei MatePad 10.4 2022. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of our latest videos here in my YouTube channel. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph. Thank you for watching and see you guys again in my next video.